the repentant Boko boys. Right now they are okay and they are good to go. So now they are going to be installed into our community. They will install them now to the community. Not just that to now conclude, because this is where this will get very interesting. Not just that these people will be installed into the community, into the society. Free. Go. No, the federal government gave them 50,000 naira each. 50,000 naira each. They give them one bag of rice. They give them oil. They give them bag of salt. Oh boy, to be bandit for this country, they pay. To be a bandit in Nigeria pays. Bro, you see, and you that the soldier see you, they die, they murder you for nothing. They unalive you for nothing. But see them, when they unalive you, they get credit for unaliving you. This is what the federal government is telling these boys. You unalive these soldiers, you get credit for unaliving them. You buy them, we credit you for buying our soldiers. You understand? That is what the federal government is telling them. Buy our soldiers, we credit you for buying them. Unalive our soldiers, we credit you for unaliving them. See them, they get 50,000 each for buying you as a soldier. They give them bag of rice each for buying you as a soldier. For unaliving you as a soldier, for murdering you as a soldier. The Nigerian federal government is giving each and every one of them one bag of rice, one bag of salt, one bag of oil, 1 gallon of oil, and 50,000 each. Not just that, they even sold uniform for them free of charge. Their uniform is free of charge. They are not see them uniform, you see them with uniform free of charge. You that is a soldier, you sew uniform from your own salary. Like your salary, take from the salary to sew uniform. But this was federal government sold uniform for them free of charge. And pay them for buying you. Nigeria is a scam.
Oh God.
As a soldier in the Nigerian army, if this news will demoralize you, nothing will demoralize you again. Your government is crediting people that are buying you. They credit them for unaliving you. They give them bag of rice for taking your life. They give them bag of salt for taking your life. They give them bag of a gallon of oil for murdering you. Where is the morale? Federal government of bandits. Nigeria federal government is federal government of bandits. It pays to be a bandit in this country. Tell me why people will not go into bandit. Because you get compensated for taking somebody's life. Only in Nigeria, this one will happen. You know the story? For sec, federal government of Nigeria, for sec. And if you're on TikTok, don't forget. After this account, follow my backup account. I don't forget.
So that is it. So when you hear them, oh, they are going after people that buy a cow. This is how it started. That is it. You know, I started by telling us that you can take your time, go and Google how many people they have put rope in their neck in Nigeria, where they come from and what happened. Then compare it with what the crime from the north, and they're getting away with it. Go and watch a video of what by King Sarowa for our Southern brothers, South or Riverline area. Go and check what happened to Ganiman, King Sarowa. Go and check how they put rope on his neck. Go and check it. Abacha did it. Go and watch the video so you get the information very, very well. King Sarowa. Go and check what happened to him. Then you compare it with even Buku and the Bunigwana mentioned or not. Your eye will clear very, very well. Abudu Kadiri or Kadri Bayero is here representing. The phone number you can see there. Maybe you can call us Abdul Karidi or whatever you call your name. Please you can call us so we can hear from you. Maybe you can tell us the best way. Okay, the number is for everybody to call.